Hello guys, I have already given you a lesson on how to make a business card. I have attached the link in the description. Now you can see some background removal jobs on Fiverr. Today I hope to give you the best Photoshop tutorial. How to remove the background of an image using Photoshop. It's a basic practice and it's help in Photoshop editing, Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer and more platforms. Okay, let's start the lesson. This is first example. Basically, we use the pen tool. The shortcut key is P. If you want to make a straight line, mouse click the left mouse button for one point and the second point in the any direction and distance. If you want a curved path by clicking one point and then click the second point and dragging it. Once it becomes a curve, you can see the handle and you can use it to change intensity and size of the curve. The other important thing is that the control button can use the handle and change the anchor point at any time. One anchor point has two handles. One hands join the last curve side and other hands join the upcoming curve. And we can change both the curve degrees and intensity using the handle, Alt key and left click. This is second example. Select graphic and design, image editing. Next you can select product image editing. Now you can see several jobs and several prices on Fiverr. I change sellers for the top rated level to see good prices. You can see the several jobs and several prices. Now you can see several Upwork jobs. I hope to give the next lesson on how to remove the background from the person in the image and how to make a gig on Fiverr. Finally, I want to see Fiverr and Upwork platform is good platforms, but you must improve your skill and wait for your opportunity. All depend on your quality work and customer satisfaction. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to see my many videos in the future. And also please give me your feedback to improve my channel. Thank you everyone.